User interface design and user experience design are two essential components of creating digital products like websites and apps. Both play a significant role in ensuring that users have a smooth and an enjoyable experience when interacting with a product. Let me break them down in simple terms. UI design focuses on the visual elements of a digital product, such as buttons, colors, typography, icons, and layout. The main goal of UI design is to create an interface that is visually appealing, easy to understand, and user-friendly. UI designers work on making the product look good and ensuring that the user can easily interact with it. Think of UI design like the appearance of a car, the color and shape of the car, and the style of the buttons, dials, and dashboard. For example, as a UI designer for a fictional food delivery company, you would be focused on several key elements to create a visually appealing and user-friendly design. Firstly, you would be responsible for typography, ensuring that the design follows best practices for legibility and readability. In addition, you would be mindful of the use of white or negative space, which provides structure and balance to the interface. You would also be in charge of color selection, ensuring a suitable contrast for both usability and readability. Iconography would be another area of focus, as you would work to create icons that are meaningful and easily recognizable. Additionally, you would be designing visual elements such as buttons and cards and choosing suitable imagery or graphics to complement the design. Finally, you would need to ensure that the interface looks great on all devices, from large monitors to small mobile devices. UX design deals with the overall experience that users have when interacting with a digital product. It considers how the product feels, how easy it is to use, and how well it meets the user's needs and expectations. UX designers focus on understanding the users, their pain points, and goals to create a product that is efficient, enjoyable, and user-friendly. A UX designer considers the user's entire journey to solve a particular problem. What steps do they take? What tasks do they need to complete? How straightforward is the experience? To continue the car analogy, UX design would be how the car drives, the comfort of the seats, and the ease of using the controls. For example, imagine that you are designing a mobile app for a grocery delivery service. As a UX designer, your focus would be on creating an experience for the user that makes it easy and efficient to order groceries. You would conduct research to understand the needs, behaviors, and goals of the target audience. This could involve surveys, interviews, and user testing to get a better understanding of how people use grocery delivery services. You would use your research findings to create a design strategy that defines the overall design direction and plan to meet the needs of the target audience. You would organize and structure the content in a way that makes it easy for the user to find what they're looking for and complete their tasks. You would design the interactions between the user and the app, including creating wireframes and prototypes that show how the app would work. You would conduct usability tests to evaluate the design and identify any areas for improvement. You would also incorporate feedback from the tests to refine the design. Finally, you would continuously refine and improve the design based on feedback and user testing results until you have created a product that provides a great experience for the end user. User experience and user interface design are two closely connected fields in the design of digital products because the look and feel of a product can greatly affect the user's experience. Therefore, UX and UI design are interdependent and must work together to create digital products that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Now, let's take a look at the important reasons that show us why UX/UI design is essential for creating successful and user-friendly digital products in today's world. Good UX/UI design can improve the overall satisfaction of users with a digital product, making them more likely to continue using it and recommend it to others. A well-designed product can also help increase conversion rates by making it easier for users to complete tasks and achieve their goals. Good UX/UI design can help improve user retention by making it easier for users to find what they need and complete tasks, reducing frustration and increasing the likelihood that they will return. A well-designed product can contribute to a positive brand image and help build trust with users. Finally, good UX/UI design can make digital products more accessible to a wider range of users, including those with disabilities.